Hello, this is my third video in the new technology tools. This site is Bingo Baker, and I just came across this site, and I know how much kids love to play games, and it's even better if it's a game that's educational. And I thought this looked pretty good for students. That would probably be the audience. You could also play it in probably staff meetings or even at your Christmas party, or so I think it could go for any anybody. You just put in your search, whatever you want to search, like food, and it'll pull up cards that have it has everything to do with food, all different bingo cards. Um, the other thing that was, you can generate your own cards, or there are pre-made cards. So here's your generating your own card. It just pretty much takes you to putting in your different words, like, I don't know, four, let's say a number, and then putting in all these, and it will generate new cards for you if you choose to create, or you want to create your own. So to generate, and as you can see, it will generate and put them in. Other ways is the bingo cards, and these are ones that have already been generated. You have traditional numbers, and on these you can either print, play online, and there is a call. They create a call list for you. Generating a bingo card, math bingo. A few ways. Here's some that have already been generated. So these are ones that someone else has already created. And if you click on them, that gives you other options. As you notice, there are some that have pictures and some that have words. You can do a little of both. So I think that this can actually go anywhere between K through even college, and more advanced. Looks like you can do pretty much any level there. This is all free right now, but you can become a lifetime or have a lifetime membership to it for $24.95. But the basic, you can still create and find them. The membership will basically give you more options when you provide them online or different things like that. I think this is very beneficial to kids because, like, this is using technology, but also finds something that the kids can relate to pretty easily, because I think everyone's played bingo. Um, the purpose of this is it can be to introduce something, it can be to practice, and then I think it can also be a minor assessment, like halfway through, to make sure if you want to do or if you need to do more. I believe that I've covered as much as I can. Please enjoy and look through it.